welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Happy New Year. It's New Year's 2021. I'm glad we're all here to celebrate the new year together, and I'm glad to have you guys, especially my wonderful subscribers. Glad to have you here this new year. 2020 was, interesting for everyone, this globally. So I'm glad and grateful that we're all here to witness this year, and looking forward to great things this year. Also great things on this channel as well. So stick around for more interesting videos. And you visitors, if you haven't subscribed, do click that subscribe button. Please do subscribe and click the bell notification so you are notified anytime I pop up a video. Okay, so going straight into today's video. You know what, I was supposed to post a different video today, and it's about my favorite products. If you watch my last video, I talked about this video, but today I said, you know what, let me just hold off on that. Let me post something else, which is the spicy noodle challenge. Guys, I know you're going to see me try the spicy noodle challenge. It's fun when you try it with other people, but I said, okay, there's pandemic. I wasn't sure if I felt comfortable inviting people over or trying it with someone else. So people might choke on spice, especially if you're not used to the extreme spice in this noodle. So I said, you know what, let me try first and see how it goes, and who knows, I might test it out on someone else. But anyway, guys, okay, so the spicy noodle challenge. Now, I'm used to this noodles. This is a spicy seafood noodles. It's spicy, guys. It's spicy, but it's good. It has that regular heat, not the man on fire kind of heat. So I like this one because, especially during the cold, it has that right amount of pepper, seafood flavor. This is usually my go-to spicy soupy noodles. It has enough heat, but then I said for the spicy noodle challenge I need something extreme, because on YouTube you see all kinds of noodles. I don't know where they get them. Sometimes they're black, the packet looks black, it looks really scary. Maybe it's ordered online or something. But anyway, so I went to my Chinese market and I asked the cashier, I was like, hey, because we have a report, we just chit chat. So I said, hey, do you know if you have extreme spicy noodles? And she said, oh, okay, are you ready for extreme? And she pulled this one out. I thought she was going to pull out something black, like a black packet, but she said, oh no, that this is extreme. So I looked at it. I was a little bit skeptical because it doesn't look spicy, but it says ×2. You see that ×2 spicy noodles. I don't know what flavor. Okay, this is the hot chicken flavor. So I said, okay, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. I told her, I hope it's spicy. She said, you just try it and give me a call. I said, okay, let's see. So guys, I'm gonna try this with you and we'll see how it goes. I'm not, you know what, my expectation is that it's not gonna be spicy. So I'm not going to prepare with a glass of milk or a glass of, what have you. But let's see how it goes. I'm sure this video is going to be funny, so stick around. I'm going to make this offline and I'll be back once I have it prepared and ready to go. Stay tuned, guys. Watch me try the spicy noodle challenge. And I guess the challenge is try to finish it without drinking water. And without, of course, throwing up or exploding, out of, extreme heat. But let's see. I think I can just probably eat through it without water, but guys, keep me honest. You be the judge. You be the judge to see what happens as I try this spicy noodle challenge. Okay, guys, I'll see you shortly. Bye. Okay, guys, and here is the spicy noodles. It looks good. It smells good too. So let's see. Just in case, just in case, I have my bottled water here. Just in case, let me leave it open just in case, but I doubt I'll need it. I don't think I'm going to need it. So let me just put it way aside. Okay, guys? So let's see. It said the spicy noodle challenge. It's red, which I mean, it's expected if it's extremely spicy, but let's see. It smells good. I used everything, the spice, the seasoning, that comes, I think it's a sauce, and some seaweed, veggies, something like that. But let's see, guys. Let me not get too much at once, but here goes nothing. Let's see. It tastes good. It tastes good. Am I getting any? Is this thing spicy? Really? Really? Hold on a second. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. No, let me take another bite. Let's see. I don't. Hold on. This is a challenge, so let me see. Ooh. 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 Guys, I'm used to pepper. But this. My nose is already running. Guys, it's not. It hits you afterwards, but I'm not drinking water. Let's see. I'm supposed to finish it, right? Without water. I think I can do this. Let's see. Woo. It's not too bad, but maybe I need to stop talking. Maybe it works that way, right? Let me see. Oh. I mean, guys, I don't know what language I'm speaking at this point, but this is butt on fire. Hot. I can hit you afterwards in your ear, neck. But it's not unbearable. It's hot, but let me see. I mean, I can do this. I can take it without water. Let's see. You can see my lips have turned red. My lip has turned red. Lower lip. my god. Chimo, my god. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm almost there. Let's see. If you're having this challenge with someone, make sure the person is used to spice, because you don't want someone get, you know, throwing up or really. Just make sure you put the disclaimer there before you have this challenge with anyone. It is hot, but it's not unbearable. It's not unbearably hot, but it is there. It is there. I'm even not chewing it completely because my mouth is on fire, guys, and I'm not even halfway there. I'm not even. I can see how this would be a fun challenge with, but guys, I mean, I've seen videos of, you know, people eating raw pepper, like habanero pepper or California Reaper. Someone sent me a video of this guy eating the California, I think it's called the California Reaper, something like that. That pepper, man, oh my god. I wonder if I can insert the video here, but the guy was on fire. Like literally, he was dancing, break. He was literally dancing, and basically that's just the reaction to his body coughing, you know. So he was coughing, but in that same light, his whole body moved. That is how hot California Reaper is. But I don't think this is even maybe it's habanero. I don't think it's ghost pepper or California Reaper. I don't think it's as hot as that, but it is hot. And guys, I'm sorry. I need the water to cool the inside of my mouth, because that's where it burns, on your cheek and throat, ear. I can feel the pepper for some reason in my ear, guys. I can feel the heat in my ear. That is how hot this thing is. But I don't think I thought I was going to like start coughing and bringing out tears or something like that, but it is hot. It is hot, guys. I don't think I can finish a whole plate without water. Although I'm gonna finish this food though, but yeah, that is my that is my reaction to this challenge. It is hot, but I think there are packets that are hotter than this, because the way people react, you think it's raw hot pepper they're chewing. But for me, because I'm used to heat, I'm used to spice, it is hot, but it's not that extreme where I have to start, you know, coughing, throwing up, or, you know, but I've not seen people do that on YouTube. But it is hot. I can see how, I don't think I can eat this on a regular. This is one of those once in a blue moon type thing, but it is tasty. The noodles is really tasty, but see my lips. Maybe that's a new language. Okay guys, anyway, if you like this video, if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you are new to this channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.